गोवा कॅनचो ग्राहक जागरूकताय सप्तक चल्ला. जागरूकताय सप्तकाचो एक भाग म्हूण गिरायकांक भितर जागरूकताय घडोवन हाडपाचो वावर चल्ला. बिरेस्तारा पणजे जाल्यार शुक्रारा मडगांवां गिरायक जागर जालो. गोवा कॅनाक गिरायकांकडल्यान जायत्यो कागाळी येतात. ह्यो कागाळी जाग्यार घालपी यंत्रणा आपले काम व्यवस्थित करिना देखून आमचे कडेन ह्यो कागाळी येतात. गोवा कॅनाच्या रॉलन मार्टिन्सान सांगले, देखरेख अधिकाऱ्यांक सक्रिय रावचे, लोकांचे प्रश्न हातात घेवचे ताणें आवाहन केला. पळयात.
There are people operating without trade license and selling fake goods. Recently we have booked a case in Margao here, wherein we got legal metrology to book the case. He was selling fake goods, no trade license, and the person who has been cheated was from Panjim. So one thing is becoming very clear: 7 talukas of South Goa district are becoming vulnerable, and there is this understanding that Goa is a small state. We cannot have that much infrastructure, we cannot have that many inspectors. But what is Goa as a small state? Resident population is 16 lakhs, but the tourist arrival this year 90 lakhs. So every tourist coming to Goa is a consumer. So what is the tourism department doing to protect these consumers? Today they are selling cashew nuts made of maida. They are selling cashew feni with water inside. So all these scamsters are coming to Goa, operating, robbing mobiles, cheating, call centers, all these things if you see, this is possible only because the vigilance has failed from every department side. So our purpose of having this action today is to bring to the knowledge of the government agencies and also the general public that before you put your money somewhere, before you buy a product, first see whether this fellow is registered or not.
The complaints are coming in because the supervisory agencies which are supposed to look at these complaints that are coming in are not doing their job. Because if they were active, then these complaints would not be there. And because they are not doing the jobs, the complaints are increasing. Or the same complaint, there are many people who are facing the same issue. Goa Can has put out 5,000 of these postcards in the last 2 months, where we have created intense awareness, especially among students in the educational institutions like high schools, higher secondary schools and colleges, where we have said you can make a complaint with a 25 paisa postcard. Now these 4 postcards only cost 1 rupee. So you can easily avail these from any post office and just write a 2-line complaint, that so and so thing is happening in so and so place. If they need help, they can always contact Goa Can.
In her case, Naveli ji दूसरी case आती, manufacturer was showing as manufactured in Goa. In fact, I जेन्ना research करतालो, I was also feeling tempted. But आता manufacturer business change केला आणि factory कोणा वचपा दिना. म्हणजे this is the land. म्हणजे बाय काढून ना इंकली आणि फेल जाता ते चोयल्यो आणि factory business change केला.
सन एक शॉप लागीं हा म्हणून आमी ही बायक घेतली. विथीन 6 मंथ बॅटरी 6 मंथ्साची वॉरंटी आसली, बट 5 म्हयन्यानूच बॅटरी बंद पडली. ते परतून घालूंक येयले पूण म्हणूंक लागले वॉरंटी ना. हांवें म्हटलें आयज घातली फाल्यां गेली नाल्यार ते म्हणूंक लागले आमी नको. मागीर तो इशू स्टार्ट आनी विथीन 1 इयरा भितर तें शॉप बंद जालें आनी तांकां ट्रेड लायसन्स नासलो. ताका
जुनो शोरुमाक आयिल्लें आनी तेजो तो एटेंड करपाक येयलो फर्स्ट केस मुगेली. येयलो तेन्ना तो ताका विचारलें तूं खंय रेजिस्टर जालो हाका. आमी तो म्हणपाक ओन्ली इन पंचायत. I don't have registration in the tourism department. I have only panchayat register. Then say this is not valid. हे रॉंग म्हाका तूं अशें करून तूं पेपराचेर घालून तूं अशें कोत काय म्हण आतां ट्युरिजम डिपार्टमेंट येताय आनी ती केस आमी एटेंड कोत्ताय आनी तेणें सांगिल्लें आमी एक्शन घेतली म्हूण.
I have come across numerous issues over the past few years with regard to banking, specifically banking, where consumer complaints are not taken seriously. For example, when you ask for the complaint book, they refuse to give it to you, or they give you a sheet of paper. This has been my personal experience.
गोवा 365 खातीर संदीप तुयेकार, मनीषा जाधव आणि निखिल जल्मी.